Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the Glam AI app tutorial. So the Glam AI app is actually for editing of your photos and your videos as well, but mainly for photos, where you get to change the background and add some filters and create a very good settings and the rest of that, and even edit your videos and add AI features and filter and make a lot of things, a lot of changes in your photos and your videos. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, you need to go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and search for Glam AI, and you're going to see it. Once you see it, you need to install it, and once installed, you click on open. So once you open the app, this is what it's going to look like. So it's going to take a while to actually open up, and you can just decide to allow or don't allow the notification. So I won't allow it, and now we can click on let's start. You pick if you're female or male, so I'm going to pick a female. What brings you here? Celebration, viral trend, blockbuster, photo shots, and let's create that. So you can decide to read it, or later you can do that. Click on continue, click post the passion, click on continue so you can get there. And if there is a referral code, you can click on enter the referral code, or you can just keep that. So browsing all available styles and the rest of that, so it's actually preparing for you, and you can decide to actually subscribe because there is a subscription here. You have a yearly one, weekly, and the rest of that. So the benefit of this is to prioritize the access of all AI future, unlock 60 AI styles, and the rest of that. So you can just click on continue if you want to actually subscribe. So there's actually a gift for this. So let's tap it to open. So there's 50% off if you actually want to subscribe yearly. So instead of paying 3,000 in Nigeria currency, you'll be asked to pay 41,000 naira. So you can actually grab the deal if it's okay by you, or you can try to use the free future, right? So you can just look at how it's changing. You can decide on which one you want to use. So if you're actually using that, you have to pay like 50 coins, so we're going to use that. So you can see the book below, and you can see the home, the search, the plus sign, the feed, and the profile. So let's go to feed and see how it looks like. So it's going to show you the popular, and it's going to show you Glam X Cora. So you can see that. So you can see a lot of people that use the AI to actually edit their photos and make a lot of photos as well. So you go back to your home page just like this, and here you click on the plus sign to actually edit a photo. So I'm asked to create a style, so click on create style and choose. You can change the image. So I will be using this one right here, and you can just describe how you want to modify your style and select it if you don't have time to actually do that. So I'm going to just pick that one randomly and click on generate. So once you generate, you have to pay 15 coins. So I need to modify my style. So um at the beach, so I'll just use at the beach for an instance and click on generate. So you can see I actually have to subscribe in order to do that. So this is actually how to use the Glam AI app. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.